Hi, today I'll show you how to turn on the timer on your camera on Motorola E6 Play. So, first of all, let's unblock our Motorola. Then, let's open the camera. After that, you need to go to the settings. Then, press right here on timer. Let's set 2 seconds timer and let's check it. 1, 2. Great, and let's check 10 seconds timer. Amazing. If you want to turn off the timer, you need to go to settings, then press on timer and press off. So let's check. As you can see, there is no timer anymore. So leave the like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.